Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use effects on your TikTok stories, which you post on TikTok. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. Okay, so TikTok effects are not just limited to videos, but they can be used on stories as well. So let me show you how to use TikTok effects on your stories. So first you want to open up your TikTok app. Next you want to tap on the plus sign here at the bottom. Then you want to go to story, make sure story is selected from the bottom here. Next you want to decide if it's photo or video. So I'll tap on photo. Now at the bottom left, tap on effects here. From this menu here, you can choose any effects you like. And once you're happy with that, go ahead and take a TikTok story and then post your TikTok story to your TikTok account by tapping on your story. And that will now post your story to your TikTok account. Now, as you can see, a TikTok effect was used on a story. And that is how to use TikTok effect on a story on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.